Hello friend, welcome you all in my YouTube channel. I am Dr. Muhammad Sirajul Haq Faizi, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, Langat Singh College, Muzaffarpur. Today in this video, I am going to talk about Smiles reactions. So what is Smiles reactions? This is a type of reactions which is known as rearrangement. Smiles rearrangement. What is a rearrangement? You know already many rearrangement reactions. It is a intramolecular nucleophilic substitution. What? It is a intramolecular nucleophilic substitutions. Electron withdrawing group ortho and para to leaving group favors. Electron donating group ortho para to incoming nucleophile favors. This is the conditions. So electron withdrawing group either ortho and para to leaving group favor. What does it mean? You see, this is the rearrangement. You see this X and Y and this structure part, this benzene, substitute benzene. So conversion from this substrate to this product is known as Smiles rearrangement. What rearrangement happen here? Did you find? Not yet? Okay, fine. You see X and Y. Now in the product Y and X. This is the substitutions X with this ring. Now X is not substituted, Y is substituted through the Y. So this type of reaction is known as Smiles reaction or rearrangement. Now take one example. This is the center of reactions. You see it contains methyl, methyl, and this is also methyl, and this group is double bond O sulfone groups, and this benzene. Butyl lithium, you know, butyl lithium will attack. This is the, with respect to this one is ortho, this one is ortho, this one is para. So it takes this proton and in converted lithium carbon bond. Have you seen this one? Butyl lithium, what happened here? Breaking of carbon hydrogen bond and forming carbon lithium. Nothing happened other part of the structures. So here you can see these portions now shifted to here sulfone, SO O lithium, and in presence of water this bond you can see here already formed. So what happened here? This carbon lithium bond now become CH2 this bond and S double bond OH sulfone. So this type of arrangement is like that. X attached here, now Y attached here. Same way here S attached here and C attached here. Now you see the different CH2 group attached here and this one is different attachment. So this overall rearrangement is known as Smile rearrangement. Now look at this X and Y. We just leave it. Consider XY. X and or Y electron withdrawing group. So if there is A and this is the B. If B have negative character, it act as nucleophile and forming such type of cyclide, and there is a negative charge inside the ring, and then this bond will break and forming. So here A attach and B attach. So take one examples. Here OH. Now this base will take, it become O minus. So what will happen? This bond will break and attach here. This is the Esmail rearrangement. And there is some modification also. Truss Esmail rearrangement. You see, if in case of OH, methyl group is there, already seen this one, butyl lithium, then such type of rearrangement will happen. So this is the Truss Esmail rearrangement, and this is the Esmail rearrangement. Now you see here attachment with the O. Now this nucleophile attack on this center, this bond will shift, cyclization occurs. Now you see there is a negative charge inside the ring. This is in the resonance. Now this bond will open, O minus, and after workup you will get NHCH2 CH2H. What happened? O replaced by NH, and this arrangement is known as Esmail's rearrangement. So this is your product and this is your starting. Disconnections. There should be electron withdrawing groups there, then this Esmail reaction will happen. So withdrawing means NO2, SO2R, W may be R. So NO2, SO2, if it is a para position with respect to this, X may be NH, O, sulfur, SO, SO2, and Y, OH, NH, CH, this type of groups. Then X attachment is replaced by Y replacement. This is Esmail. Esmail, very easy, Esmail. Now take one example, one more example. You see, this hydrogen is taken by this and NH minus. Now this group attack on this center, and same time replacement occurs, displacement of this double bond, forming cyclized product, and then neutralizations. Now you see here O, now NH. So such type of rearrangement is known as Esmail rearrangement. In Truss Esmail rearrangement, I already told you, here in functional group you just take the methyl and any anion. So such type of bond formed. So this type of reactions is known as Truss Esmail rearrangement. एक बार हिंदी में आपको हम बता दें कि Esmail rearrangement है क्या. कि Esmail rearrangement, it is a intramolecular nucleophilic substitutions है. इसमें इलेक्ट्रॉन विड्रॉइंग ग्रुप होना चाहिए ऑर्थोपारा टू लिविंग ग्रुप फेवर करता है. इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेटिंग ग्रुप ऑर्थोपारा टू इनकमिंग न्यूक्लियोफाइल फेवर करता है. तो लिविंग ग्रुप को फेवर करना है जो जाने वाला है, और इनकमिंग ग्रुप को फेवर करना है तो इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेटिंग ग्रुप लगाना है. यू सी, ऐसे रिएरेंजमेंट यहाँ पर X था, यहाँ पर Y है. नाउ इन प्रोडक्ट Y इज अटैच हियर, X इज फ्री. सो इस तरह के अरेंजमेंट को हम लोग Esmail rearrangement कहते हैं. अब ये Y अगर OH ग्रुप है तो इसको Esmail कहेंगे, अगर यहाँ पर CH3 ग्रुप कहेंगे तो उसको Truss Esmail, उसका कुछ मॉडिफाइड किया हुआ Esmail रिएक्शंस का वो रिएक्शंस. यहाँ पर देखें ये Truss Esmail का है, ये हाइड्रोजन यहाँ से रिप्लेस हो गया लिथियम से, और फिर ये इस तरह की सिचुएशंस आ शिफ्ट किया. एंड यू सी, पहले ये सल्फर से था अटैचमेंट SO, नाउ CH2. Esmail rearrangements को अच्छे से और देखने के लिए यहाँ पर आप देखें कि X और Y किस नेचर का है, इलेक्ट्रॉन विड्रॉइंग ग्रुप्स. इलेक्ट्रॉन विड्रॉइंग ग्रुप से क्या फ़ायदा होगा कि रिंग में नेगेटिव चार्ज क्रिएट होगा. तो ये A जो अटैच है ये B है, बी अगर न्यूक्लियोफिलिक नेचर के हैं तो इस तरह का साइक्लाइज प्रोडक्ट देता है। उसके बाद फिर शिफ्टिंग होकर ये पहले ए से अटैचमेंट था, अब बी से अटैचमेंट है। यहाँ देखें ये ओ माइनस, उसी समय इसकी ये शिफ्टिंग हो गई, ये स्माइल्स रीअरेंजमेंट है, यहाँ पर मिथाइल है, उसी समय इस ग्रुप की यहाँ शिफ्टिंग हो गई, ट्रूस स्माइल रीअरेंजमेंट। यहाँ पे एग्जांपल देखें, ये NH2 ग्रुप है, यहाँ से एक हाइड्रोजन निकल गया तो ये न्यूक्लियोफाइल बन गए, इस तरह की साइक्लाइजेशंस हुई। NO2 ग्रुप इलेक्ट्रॉन विड्रॉइंग ग्रुप है, तो इस तरह के ओपन यहाँ से यहाँ तक इसको रेजोनेंस से स्टेबलाइज है। फिर ये वर्कअप करने के बाद आपको तो ये देखिए NH O से रिप्लेस। सो स्माइल रिएक्शंस में ये X और Y ऑलरेडी है, सेम है, इस तरह का साइक्लाइज प्रोडक्ट। उसके बाद ये चेंज क्या है, O to NH। सो फ्रेंड, hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.